they understand the character of numbers. So we need to teach the computer, for example, male is equal to 1, female is equal to 2. How to do that? Only by using Microsoft Excel. In a split second, you can change it. You want to change it now? Okay, before you can change it, preferably you must include the ID. So how to put the ID? You select the column, you right click, and then you insert. You insert a new column named as ID. So in this particular ID, we are going to spell out not name but numbers, because we cannot take names of the respondents because anonymity and also to protect the private and confidentiality of the data. Therefore, you have to create a new column named as ID. Okay, after that, you right click and then go to the format cells. Go to the format cells. In the format cells, you tick the number here. You tick the number. After that, you tick for the OK. You tick for the OK. Alright, after you tick for the OK, boleh, nak tukar boleh, tak nak tukar pun tak apa, no problem. You want to adjust the decimal place accordingly, also can, no problem. Because we want to put only numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, until the end of our data set. Okay, I made a repetition. So the first one, you right click here, click insert, and then we are going to make a new column. Right click on that new column, go to the format cells. Please identify these cells as numbers and then go to the O. Okay. After that, in the first row, we are going to spell this one as the ID, and you are going to put number lah, 1 and 2, and until the end of the day. So how to do that? You can just indicate number 1 and number 2, select it accordingly, and double click, and then everything will be done by the SPSS. Sorry, by the Microsoft Excel. I'm going to making it up for you. Or you can do it by your own lah. You type one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 24. Okay, I made a repetition. So, first of all, you're setting up the column. After that, you just put the number 1 and then number 2. After that, you highlight number 1 and number 2. Bring the cursor on the edge of the down at the right bottom like this. You see? It's being changed, right? Okay. After it's been changed, you double click on that. You double click, it will automatically derive for you. Done?
Jadi
ID ni actually is being replaced for the name. Okay. So that whatever data that we have inside the Excel will be tally in our SPSS later on. Okay, so far so good, eh? Alright, the next one, we want to change the coded. I'm going to continue.